my channel. Welcome to Glam Reel. So after a long time I am making a video. So summer is around the corner. Summer holidays are going to start. So today I am going to show you this shiny sun-kissed makeup look. It is natural and it's a perfect holiday look. So let's start with the tutorial. In day makeup, sunscreen is mandatory. This is Barelyon sunscreen and I am using this sunscreen nowadays. It is very lightweight. It is SPF 50. It is easily blendable and it won't leave any white cast on the skin. So now I am using this BB cream from Body Shop in the shade 02. Today I'm not using any primer because this is a shiny sun-kissed look and this sunscreen has a shine. So I don't want to hide the shine under the primer. And also in summer, I prefer not to layer my skin with too much of product. And it's a day makeup, so I'm not using any foundation. I don't require any foundation. So today I'm using only BB cream and some concealer. The products I'm using here, I will put all the details in the description box. Today I'm using this Fit Me concealer, which is a true match to my skin tone and which is very lightweight and easily blendable. In summer, I prefer to use all the products which are very lightweight and I don't want to layer my skin with too much of product. Here my skin may not look very perfect, but it is okay. I am not using much product because this is a day makeup and it's a very natural look. So my skin should look neat and it should look natural and the better version of my skin. I'm using this loose banana powder, applying it under my eyes and all over my face with a very light hand, because as this is a shiny sun-kissed look, so I don't want to lose the shine which you can see on my cheeks, because the sunscreen which I have applied, it gives a shine on the skin. Here I'm using banana powder only. Please don't get confused with the gray color of the brush. I'm using this micro tip brow pencil from NYX. It's in the shade Brunrtte. To fix the brow, I'm using transparent brow mascara from Elf. Here I'm using Rimmel London eye pencil to draw a tight lash line and a tight waterline. I'm keeping my eyes very simple. This is Imagic contour palette. I'm using this dark brown shade. Today I'm applying heavy contour because this is a shiny sun-kissed look and I will take my time to blend it nicely. So blend, blend, blend. Normally I don't contour my forehead, but for this tan look I am contouring both the sides of my forehead, lower part of the jawline and nose. This mini highlighter and blush palette is from Elf. I can't tell you how much I love this palette. This is just like a chota packet bada dhamaka. The color is so pigmented and the blush is so perfect for the day look. Sorry guys, please excuse the background noises. So the highlighter is just like a bomb. I mean, it's so pigmented. You can see a small amount and I just love to spread it with my finger to look it very natural. For this tan look, I prefer to go with some extra glitter and shine, but it's completely up to you and your choice that how much you want. Finishing my eye makeup, curling the lashes and applying some mascara. It is K-Beauty lip pencil in nude shade. And I'm applying Sugar Cosmetic matte lip color in this shade 09, Better Call Salmon. If you guys want, you can stop here, but I want to take it a step forward. I want a glossy lip, so I'm using this lip plumper from Pixi. Then I'm using this Smashbox primer water. It is super hydrating, and I'm dabbing the face with a damp sponge with a very light hand. And this is the look. Oh my god, I'm just loving this shine and the tan look. So this is the look in the natural daylight. So that's it. If you guys have liked my video, please do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.